Everybody, this is Tom from Small Scale Life. Back here on a Sunday afternoon behind our little blue barn. Solstice Hill right over there, right straight in front of us. That's the highest point on this property. Then over here is our tree line. Our property edge is right there where that funny stake is with the laundry tub on it. And then it goes along that tree line all the way down out there. So this is our neighbor's land over here. So, beautiful day out today. It's been a little bit since I've been down here. One cool thing about this property is we do have some very interesting old trees like that one. Or these over here. Or that over there. So we have a seating space right behind that tree and right before this other tree back in here. It's really cool. But yeah, it's just another day out here. A little blue shed. A lot of snow comes piling off it and nobody comes out that back door, so haven't really cleared it out. But yeah, Whisper and I are just checking things out. Looking for some wood for a project. Hi, Whisper. So just checking things out. It's been a little bit since I've been back here. Obviously we have some tracks coming right through here. Right through here. I gotta clean up that tree right over there. It's always a project. Always something happening here at Driftless Oaks Farm. So I hope you're having a great day. Get outside. Get outside and enjoy it. We have a storm rolling in. We're gonna get 12 inches of snow maybe. Oh, that'll come hit like start hitting on Tuesday. So anyway, stay safe. Have a great day, everybody. And we'll talk to you real soon. Whisper says goodbye. All right. Take care, everybody. We'll see you real soon.